evil right now that presides our country is Marcos Jr. And then ang triumvirate niya, ng evil triumvirate niya, yung triad niya, si Martin Romualdez sa si Lisa and mga alipores nila. It is our moral duty, kami nila, Professor Ana, tayo Jade, na nasa media, totoong media, as the conscience of the nation, it is our moral duty to speak against evil, fight against evil, defend justice and truth, and fight for the people, not just for kingdom of Jesus Christ, because we deserve a better country, a better government. If it will not be perfect after our fight and crusade, so be it. But the moral duty to fight evil in the midst of confronting evil, may kinokonfront tayong demonyo na sumasakop sa ating bansa. At ang pinakamalaking demonyo sa buong daigdig na siya nagkokontrol sa demonyo sa Pilipinas. That's the word that I can describe right now. Demonyo yung Amerika Yan ang evil preside